Hey everyone, this is Nate from Umbrel with a video that many of you have been waiting for. Today, we're going to look into how to set up backups on your Umbrel. In the next few minutes, we will set up automatic encrypted backups to an external drive. We'll use our new rewind feature to recover a deleted file in seconds. And finally, I'm going to nuke my entire Umbrel to simulate a disaster scenario and then recover it from scratch to show you how seamless it is. Let's dive in. All right, to get started, we'll head down to Settings. Backups were introduced in umbrelOS version 1.5, so if you don't have the backup option here in Settings, you should update to the latest version of umbrelOS. For me, we'll go down to Backups and Setup. And here you'll see three different backup options: another Umbrel or a NAS on the same network, an external USB drive, or Umbrel Private Cloud, which isn't live yet, but it'll be coming soon, so stay tuned for it. Okay, in my case, I have an external drive here, so I'm going to select external drive. Let me plug this into my Umbrel home. And there we have it. Umbrel has detected the drive automatically, so we select it and continue. Now, you can back up directly to the top level of your external drive here. That's totally fine. Or you can optionally create a dedicated folder to store your backups. So let me create a folder called My Umbrel Backups, because why not? We'll select that. Continue. Okay, this is one of the best parts. You don't have to back up everything if you don't need to. Like maybe your media library takes up a ton of space and you're okay re-downloading that later. That's no problem. You can exclude specific files and folders here, or even entire apps. And that way you only back up what really matters to you while saving your storage space. So let me exclude a couple folders and apps for this demo. I'm okay excluding downloads like we have here. I don't need to back those up. I'll also exclude budgets. And for apps, let's exclude transmission here and continue. Okay, now for the most important step, the encryption password. This password encrypts all of your backups, so it's super important to store it safely. Like I'm talking password manager, physical note in a safe, just whatever it takes. So let me type in a password here. Okay, hit continue. We get one final reminder. Yes, we've stored our password. Wait, you stored your password securely, right? Okay, good. Let's review our summary. Yeah, this all looks good. Yeah, and we'll hit finish setup. And that's it. umbrelOS is already creating the very first backup for us here in the background. We can configure backups anytime in the future here. We can change the excluded apps or the excluded files or folders, or we can even add a new backup location. Honestly, it's pretty much set it and forget it from here on out. umbrelOS now automatically creates hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly backups for you. So let's get all the way out of here. Yeah, and check it out. While a backup is running, we get this nice little live tile that appears above your dock, showing you the real-time progress. You can continue using your Umbrel as normal, and the backups will just continue in the background. So yeah, let's let this finish, and then I'll show you some magic. Okay, our first backup is done, which means it's time to delete something by accident to show you how easy it is to restore a file from the past. Let's go down to Files. Oh, yeah, my most precious meme. Okay, actually, let's not use this for the example. It's a bit too important. In fact, let's just download this onto my computer real quick. Nope, I've put it in the trash by accident. Hold up. umbrelOS lets you restore from the trash. Oh, I permanently deleted that, didn't I? Oh yeah, my meme. It's gone. Okay, but watch this. Right here in the sidebar, let's click on Rewind. Our backup location is already set to the external drive we used. So let's click Start Rewind to browse backup stored on the drive. So these are my files as they are now. No meme. But if I click the arrow down here to go back to our last backup, there it is. Just like that, we're back in time and our meme image still exists. So I can select it and click restore to put it back. Done. I'm a wizard. So now when we close rewind, we can see our meme back in our files. Okay, but what about the ultimate disaster? If you lose all your data? Well, let's prepare you for the worst. Fingers crossed it doesn't happen to you, but it's better to be safe than sorry. It's time for me to nuke my Umbrel. Just so you can see what we're working with, we've got 10 apps, got some files, of course our precious meme. So let's wipe it clean with a factory reset. We get a quick summary of what will be wiped. Yeah, everything checks out. Continue. Wants our Umbrel password. Got that. We'll click erase everything and reset. And now we wait. This is the point of no return, or the point of the video where everything goes wrong. And we're back to the Welcome to umbrelOS screen. It's a press start. But instead of creating a new account, let's click Restore My Umbrel right here at the bottom. We'll choose our external drive, which is still connected. And so next, let's select our backup file and click Continue. Next is our encryption password that we set up earlier and stored securely, right? Okay, I'll select the latest backup, which in our case is our only backup we made. We'll continue. Review. Okay, so here it says your login password will be reset to the one you used when the backup was created. Perfect, I remember that. We'll click Restore. And now we wait for the restore to complete. And just like that, we're back in business. The login screen looks familiar. I'll log in. And everything is exactly as I left it. All my apps are starting up. My settings are back. My files are here. And most importantly, the meme is safe. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've set up automatic encrypted backups, used rewind to recover a file, and survived a complete system wipe without losing a single byte of data. If you found this useful, give it a like and let us know what you'd like us to cover next. Also, let us know if setting up backups went smoothly for you. Thanks for watching, and happy self-hosting.